Is it wrong? Alright, bring it up in here. You ain't gotta point it at my face, try it down at me. Alright, so first step, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Make sure it's not touching no metal. So, we got your fuse box here. So, that wire that I showed you on the last video goes to this fuse right here. The unsecured fuse. So you're going to want to pull that fuse. So, you just get yourself some wire to put on that fuse. I went on this side of the fuse. Just put it down on there. Now, I bought this tool to test it. This is what the tool comes. Bought it for $15 off of TikTok shop. You can probably find them better ones off of Home Depot. But all you do when you use it, you just turn it on tone, and then you'll put the tool up to it and you'll listen to it, which I'll show you. Alright, bring her over here. So it doesn't matter how you hook up these wires either. Red, positive, it doesn't really matter. But I'm gonna bring it over here. You're gonna unhook the dash. Alright, now you're gonna grab that wire. And you're gonna come over here to pin 4. I got this on the wrong side. Pin 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plug it right in. That's all you gotta do over here. So now, this light should turn. See it better? This light right here on your box should turn on. This is your continuity, so that means that whole wire system's all good. But I'll show you where the break is. So this is where the break is. So this is the driver's side. This is under the fuse box. So here, light up in there. This is the wire that's broken. So all I did was I have it disconnected so I can show you guys how to work it. But obviously there's another wire that's chafed. But now you come up to your box and that light is no longer on. I'm going to show you. Just keep an eye on that. Just point it on that and I'll show you. That light should come on. Is it on? Mm-hmm. No, that's that wire right there. So now, I need that gauge. Oh, can you hear that right there? Alrighty. Now, you're going to put this box so that red light's showing. So now, you're going to want to turn this on. This is going to be your tester, or toner, or whatever. You can kind of hear it. It's kind of low tone. You can hook it up to headphones. Alright, bring my camera over here. I'll show you. Obviously, you can hear it. You get power, and it gets dimmer because it just lost power. You hear it get dim because that wire's broken right here. But I'll show you. Here, take the phone again. So now that we found the wire, we know that it works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that this fixes the problem. Now it may not do it because everything's just not crimped together yet. But, here. Now we take everything back apart. Put this thing back in. I just gotta remember this thing upside down. Wire hooked back up. Turn this off. Unplug this. That's all unplugged. Take my good views. Plug it back in. Okay. You should tighten that wire back up. But here. Now that dash should come on now. There you have it. That's fixed. Your headlights are on. Taillights are all working. Now, let's see if it fires up. Should fire up, it might not. There you have it. It's all working. Now I just want to show them inside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug that wire, just so you guys know the problem. Shining it on there, the dash.
Mm-hmm.
Now shine at the headlights and stuff. Now we'd be able to turn this stuff on. I cycled the key because the LEDs are going to have power to it still. But the key's on right now. No headlights, no tail lights, and obviously that's what fixed it. So hopefully that helped you guys.